Today we will discuss the task which is called uncommon words from two sentences. It was a daily task in 17th September. Let's talk about the given task. We are given two inputs, two strings. Each string contains sentence with like a lot of words. As our output, we need to return list where consists a lot of words which were occurred only once, both in sentence. If we consider the first example, we can say as S1 there is given this apple is sweet, as S2 this apple is sour. The words this apple and the is repeated twice, but the word sweet sour occurs only one. Similar with example 2, apple occurs twice, banana once. That's why as the output will be banana. Let's talk about how to solve this task. We have many solutions, like to take counter function of both strings. It's mainly dictionary, but we will talk about another solution. In order, there is no need to consider S1 and S2 separately. You can just combine as a one sentence, as a one big sentence. The first action will be just combining S1 and S2 and taking S3 sentence. Way we can just consider like which word repeats twice or once or like more than once. Then just check if particular word repeats more than one or not, and check with this condition. If the word count is below than 2, then this will be stored in result array. And just we can just return this array. Let's try to write the code. First of all, we need to combine two strings as a one string. We can use just string function and separate it with space. Then we can just transform this string to the list with the function list and split it with white space in order to consider each word separately. We can just create new variable, new array with the name of result. When L3 and check if L3 count if the frequency is below than 2, then it will be stored in the result. Why? Because we need to find the words which like exactly appears once in both sentences. And we can just return it. First of all, check with basic test cases. We are given 3 or 2. Yes, 2. Then submit it. Time complexity will be ON. Also space complexity ON. Thank you very much for watching.